Samoa lover, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today on our YouTube channel, we will be teaching you 3 things that every Siva Afi performer should know. So the actions and the words are all things that each Siva Afi performer should know in order to perform. So check it out. Our first action word is vili. So vili is the Samoan word for spin, and you can vili I lalo, vili down, you can vili to the sides, you can vili any way you like. Vili again is the Samoan word for spin. Alright. Our third Siva Afi action word is tongi. Tongi is the Samoan word for throw. So you can tongi I lunga, which is throw it up. You can tongi I kua, which is throw it behind your back. Tongi under your leg, I lalo lo vai. Tongi is just throwing. Our third action that all Siva Afi performers should know is the sapo, and the sapo is a catch. So if you kongi it, you need to sapo it. So if you throw it, you need to catch it. So you can sapo in the front, sapo under your leg, sapo behind your back. Sapo is catching. As a Siva Afi performer, you combine the vili, the spin, the tongi, the throw, and the sapo, the catch, to make your Siva Afi performance. So before we end this video, we're going to review those actions again. So we started off with the vili. A vili is a spin. Then we had our second action, which is the tongi, and the tongi is a throw. Then our last action all Siva Afi performers should know is the sapo, and the sapo is the catch. So again, that's the vili, spin, tongi, throw, and the sapo, catch.
Now to hold me down, hold this crown. I hope this sound gonna hit you back so that one day I can show you how I.
Thank you for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. We hope that you found value in this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you learned something new in this video, tell us in the comments below so that we know that you are learning and you are growing. And if you really want to support us and the Measina Treasures of Samoa team, please make sure to subscribe, because your subscription helps us with the algorithms of YouTube to get out there and to have our videos seen by more people. We'd like to thank you again for all of your support. If you're wanting to learn the ways of the Samoan warrior, make sure to click the link in below that takes you to our online beginners Siva Afi course. We have a free preview right now, so if you click on that link, you can sign up for the free preview and make sure that it's right for you. Thank you again for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. Hey,
alright. Yeah, okay, yeah, alright. Yeah, okay, yeah, alright.